Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing chocolate jawar smoothie recipe. This millet breakfast smoothie is ideal as a quick, filling and healthy breakfast on those busy mornings. No dairy milk or refined sugar. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 3 cups jawar flakes. Jawar flakes, also known as flattened jawar or jawar poha, is easily available online these days. 3/4 cup roughly chopped cashew nuts. Instead of cashew nuts, you can use any nut of your choice, like maybe peanuts, almonds, hazelnuts. Any nut of your choice will be ideal. 1/4 cup sunflower seeds. 1/4 cup pumpkin seeds, 2 tablespoons raw cacao powder, half teaspoon sea salt or as needed. As a sweetener, I am adding in 1/3 cup of kakwi. Kakwi is also known as liquid jaggery. If you don't have kakwi at hand, you can use melted jaggery instead. So into this, I am adding in 1/3 cup of kakwi. For flavor, I am adding in 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/4 cup wood pressed coconut oil. Instead of wood pressed coconut oil, you can use melted butter or even wood pressed groundnut oil. And I'm mixing this all really well. I have lined a baking tray with the parchment paper and transfer the granola mix onto the baking tray. Spread the granola mix evenly on the baking tray. At this moment, I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius and I'm going to bake in my preheated oven for about 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes, I'll remove it from the oven and stir the granola over and then again keep it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. A total of 30 minutes will be ideal at 180 degrees Celsius. Remember that oven temperature varies with oven, so keep an eye on it after about 20 minutes. So I'm going to bake in my preheated oven. It's 15 minutes in the oven now. So with a spatula, I'm turning the granola over and I'm going to bake it again for another 15 minutes. Okay, now it's about 30 minutes in the oven and the granola is nicely roasted. I'm giving it a good stir and I'm going to allow it to cool down completely. Okay, now it has cooled down completely and you can see how crispy the granola is. Once it has cooled down completely, I'm adding in 1/4 cup black raisins, 1/4 cup dark chocolate chips. I'm using Cabochon chocolate chips. You can increase or decrease chocolate chips as per your taste. And make sure that you add the chocolate chips only after the granola has cooled down completely. And I'm going to give this all a good mix. Transfer the granola onto a glass container. This granola will stay good at room temperature for up to a month. Into my blender jar, I am adding in 1 cup of water. To make the smoothie more nutrient dense, I am adding in some fresh moringa leaves. If you don't have access to moringa leaves, you can use moringa powder instead. 1 tablespoon sprout activated chia seeds, 1 tablespoon sprout activated flax seeds, 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, half cup pineapple, half of a frozen banana, and I'm going to blend all this into a smoothie consistency. Pour the blended smoothie into a serving glass. On top of this, I'm adding in 3 tablespoons homemade chocolate granola. This granola will give a nice crunch to the smoothie and the jawar flakes will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time along with giving its nutrients. And my super healthy chocolate jawar smoothie is ready to serve. Just before serving, stir the granola into the smoothie. This chocolate granola will help to make the smoothie crunchy and more tasty. So guys, do try this healthy chocolate jawar smoothie and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.